Shahjahan was your forefather. Therefore, I have a right over the property. What is this? You may say many stories. Will that be accepted by the court? One has to prove that you are the grandson of Shahjahan. You prove. The only then you can claim some succession over the Taj Mahal. Abuses of there was the giving and taking. Giving, taking, any person can say.
Absolutely true.
It requires consideration by the factual court.
Absolutely true.
Whether there was a factually, it has to be proved. If you are having so many disputes with different persons, High Court is not going to come to your rescue.
If Millards make any permit, there's a law.
If you have a dispute, then you resolve dispute for appropriate forum.
But the point is, as per the
But
law.
High Court would not step into to resolve your disputes with your husband, with your in-laws, with the biological parents.
Absolutely true, Millards.
These things are not for us to address upon.
But Millards, the child has been.
So if she is with her biological parents,
Millards.
how can you say that she is in illegal custody?
Millards, there is a clear-cut motive. If Millards make any permit, I will narrate the fact. Corpus is a 5-year-old daughter, adoptive daughter, Millards. I am an adoptive mother. So she has been taken from my custody forcibly.
By whom?
Millards, by biological mother and father, by respond number 4 and 5, Millards.
When did you take her on adoption?
Millards, I have been taken her adoption since when she was of 7 months. She has been born as a premature child, and since that very day, I have been the mother.
Where is your document?
Millards, white annexure P3, Millards, we can see that is page 16. That is the birth certificate, Millards. Wherein that, Millards.
No, where is the adoption deed?
Let's accept the adoption deed. I'm carrying all the documents.
So if she is with her biological parents,
Millards.
how can you say that she is in illegal custody?
Millards, there is a clear-cut motive. If Millards make any permit, I will narrate the
We
facts.
are not going to get to motive. We are in habeas corpus. You need to make us understand whether it's a illegal custody or not.
Millards, it's an illegal
And for
custody.
that purpose, you have to first demonstrate that she is an adopted child.
Millards, she is an adopted child as
In any case, you go and file a suit
Millards,
for under Adoption Maintenance Act.
Absolutely true, Millards. Millards, I have filed a police complaint because there is a dispute between me and my husband. So just because in order to create a pressure on me, that has been taken by the sister of the husband.
See, if you are having so many disputes with different persons, High Court is not going to come to your rescue.
If Millards make any permit, there's a law.
If you have a dispute, then you resolve dispute for appropriate forum.
Millards, but the point is, as per the
But
law.
High Court would not step into to resolve your disputes with your husband, with your in-laws, with the biological parents.
Absolutely true, Millards.
These things are not for us to address upon.
But Millards, the child has been taken forcibly, and there's a law as well. If Millards make any permit.
You may make many stories. We are not influenced. The moment you say that they are biological parents, matter ends.
Millards, if Millards will permit, kindly call the girl, because the girl will
Why
address.
should you better file a suit for under Adoption Maintenance Act?
Millards, that is absolutely true. But I am
Go for
just-
child custody. See, very dicey situation. Biological parents have taken the custody, and you want us to take away the custody from biological parents. We
Millards,
do
but
not know. Now, if this adoption is there, then you prove the adoption.
Millards, all the relevant documents are on record, Millards.
So you want us to get into this factual dispute?
No, Millards. The law is there, Millards. If Millards, we kindly permit me.
देखो कौन सा law है?
As per the commentary of the Mullah, Millards, there is section 486 and 485 that says that there has to be giving and taking. That is the essentials. Despite of the formality,
मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ whether they were factually giving and taking or not.
Yes, Millards.
It's a question of fact.
Yes, Millards. There's a factual giving.
This cannot be gone into jurisdiction.
Millards, there's a factual giving and taking. I'm saying so on the basis of.
Now you may say so that Taj Mahal belongs to you.
Millards.
Shahjahan was your forefather. Therefore, I have a right over the property. What is this? You may say many stories. Will that be accepted by the court? One has to prove that you are the grandson of Shahjahan. You prove. The only then you can claim some succession over the Taj Mahal. Abuses of there was the giving and taking. Giving, taking, any person can say.
Absolutely true.
It requires consideration by the factual court.
Absolutely true.
Whether there was a factually, it has to be proved with all logical evidence, with all plausible evidence.
If Millards may kindly peruse the evidence, the annexures, Millards.
So, already you want us to pass a detailed order? What evidence you want me to show, see? And you want us to verify these photographs?
No, it's not just photographs, Millets. The birth certificate has also been there, Millets. And the
We
summary
do
has
not
also
know
been
birth
filed.
certificate or other certificate. We want to see the question is, had she been in custody of some other person, one can understand.
Millets.
She is in custody of biological parents. How can we say that she is in illegal custody?
Sir, she has been in our custody since the date of birth.
You may say many things, but point is that if she is with the biological parents, it is difficult under what circumstances you have taken away the daughter.
Millets,
And if there was giving and taking, was there any institution involved
Millets, I
in
have.
the matter of adoption?
Millets,
Is there any evidence as regards adoption?
Millets,
Nothing except that some pictures of which you are having a child in your lap, that's all.
And Millets, birth certificate as well, and Samak ID, and school as well, Millets. I've been
All
the-
said and done, these are the matters for the High Court to look into in habeas corpus. It is habeas corpus always a illegal custody, apparently illegal custody, not a custody with biological parents.
Millets, the petition has also been present if Millets.
You file a suit. Go and file a suit for the purposes, or you pursue your FIR.
Millets, the urgent need is that that daughter is unable to survive without a mother. She's too
I know
small.
you are such an affectionate mother that she would not survive with a biological mother. This fantastic argument.
Millets, my request.
I mean, the way you are picturizing the thing as if you are present there, you are a part of the whole situation.
The petition is present if Millets may
Huh?
call. The petitioner herself is present in the
Arre,
court.
she may present, but fact remains fact that she is with her. Again and again I am saying this.
Millets.
How can biological parents be denied the custody in habeas corpus? This is a very limited jurisdiction.
Absolutely true.
Habeas corpus generally when somebody is in illegal confinement of police or somebody forcing him somebody somewhere, that is by even in those cases also we are reluctant, but still we ask for directions where the girl has run away with a boy.
Millets, this is not that case. Actually, Millets.
Sorry, dismiss.
This liberty.
You can withdraw, if you want you can withdraw and pursue your FIR.
Millets. This direction may kindly be issued, Millets.